Hello, 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 and welcome to Adele's Lego. Woohoo! We're back with more Lego. What gave it away? Right, Lego. Now I'm hopefully doing quite a lot. Hopefully. I'm trying to get down my box full. Yes. It's not going down very quick though. It's not. It's not. Because I keep buying more. I bought a new one at the weekend. I'm gonna build that one first in a second. And I bought another one when I went to Tesco. I need to stop buying Lego. Or at least I need to build some Lego so I can buy more Lego. But for the next few videos, what I'm building is I'm building this one first. It's another magnet. Had to get it because it goes with my others. It does. And then I've got another Lego Friends to build. She hasn't got that one. I've got a Star Wars set, that way around, Star Wars set. And then I got these from Legoland. I think they're pretty cool. We got Thanos and Iron Man, so they get built today. And I've got more in the bed to build, but we'll leave them there for now. I've got my nice drink and my M&M mug. It's not really a mug. It's what you got the M&Ms in. But yes, what I'm building is another little magnet. Another little magnet. So we're going to bring it down. Down. Downtown. Where all the Legos built. Downtown. There we go. Doo-doo-doo. So the others are on my fridge already. They are. Now I've got very long nails. Very long nails at the moment. I honestly don't know why my nails are so long at the moment, but they are. So there's the magnet part of it. So that can go back on there, right? Doesn't mean it's going to help any in getting into the Lego. Having long nails, which it's not. So we're going to bring out the trusty cutter. Like so. That's it. I think this was $4.99, but it's another magnet and I need the magnet set. I don't think it's going to stand up, so we'll stand it in front of there. Like so. So you get a set of stickers, a little instructions book, basically London and a magnet with stickers. There it is. Right, so there's all my bits and pieces. So we want to start with the green one. I'm going to be building it backwards to you guys. I'm very, very sorry. But I need to see better than you. It doesn't bode well with how quiet I've gone. I keep having horrible nightmares of that Technic build. Found another one in the garage. Oh, I'm dreading it. I don't know what it is about Technic, but it scares me. These ones here, these don't worry me at all what I've got out to build. But if Mr. Producer brought a Technic out, I'd be like, freaking out to save the day. Okay, little green fish bone. So this looks like the London skyline kind of thing. Are you meant to push it that far in? I don't know, but I have, so we'll see. We shall see what happens then. Shan't we? Oh, these Lego dots. Don't understand them myself. Really don't, because they're just fiddly. Do you know that they do sets just for Lego dots? Hopefully that will never have to come into my house. Really hoping on that one. looking good so far, look. And leave it facing that way now I've done that. Stickers time. So that is, oh sorry, got an inch. Sorry. So stickers. So I'm presuming it's going that way up, so that's got to go. That's going there. In there. And get that as straight as possible. There we go. Straight as it will go. As straight as it will go. Number 3 as well has got to go on. Where's number 3 got to go? Oh, I meant to put that on. So I'm going to put the sticker on now. And then I'll stick it on the bricks. Like so. See? Ta-da! That should have gone on there. Okay. Are these individual? Oh my god. I'm building Big Ben, but the individual stickers to go all the way around. Can they not have just done a Big Ben with them all done on it? They've done that before. But I suppose that'd put the price up of the actual Lego set, wouldn't it? If they printed a set of Big Ben clock tower like this. Instead they get you to put it on yourself and make a mess. Because you're never going to get it lined up. Oh, I wouldn't anyway. I'll put that one on top. And then I think I've done it. I've done it. So now, you put that on the back. Don't break Big Ben whilst doing this. That is meant to slot in there. There we go. You've got the London Eye, Big Ben, and a tree. What is it with the tree? Are they trying to say London has greenery? There we go. That's pretty cool. Look, I built Big Ben. Woohoo! There we go. There's my first build done. Ta-da! So thank you for joining me, guys. Don't forget, this is a new channel, so give it a like and give it a subscribe for me. I am running a kind of a competition at the moment, whereas if you can vote down in the comments below for which build you want me to do on my first ever live on this channel. I've got the Harley Davidson, the VW van, the VW car, and then a Lego Friends size equivalent that you can vote for as well. So make sure you comment down below which one you want me to do. And there we go. My first Lego build of the day. See you later.